There was 2 incidents of people stealing from me. Heaven, have a seat, because I'm not playing right now. All right, 1, somebody stole my Hello Kitty collectible off my desk. Right here, off my desk, last class. I have an idea of who stole it. Now, I'm going to give you the opportunity to either tell me or to bring it back and just put it on my desk, or we're going to have to really take it there, and I really don't want to have to, but we can, because don't come in my room violating me in my space. So, also, when I give out candy, I give it out when you ask me. Don't go into my things without asking me. Now I feel violated that you guys are taking stuff from me knowing that I spend my own money on my items. So, before we get started today's class, you guys are going to write a journal prompt about your behavior, because 1, we have a lot of behavior problems in this class. Not everybody. A lot of you guys are great, and I really appreciate y'all for being respectful. But some of us are not as mature some days, and we're going to have to stop that if we want to continue to do scavenger hunts, eat candy, and have a cool time. So, I want you to start really thinking about your behavior, how you can be more mature, how you can keep your hands off of my stuff unless you ask, because I give you candy if you ask. Or if I say no, I just say no. So, I want you to go onto Google Classroom. Everybody will be doing this for the first 20 minutes here, because I don't play like that. Okay?
Miss, how does it look? Like, is it flesh?
It comes in this box right here.
Oh, what is it called?
Oh, it's an actual real, what's that thing called?
No.
So it comes in this box. I just opened it this school year. I've been having it for 6 years. This is my first time opening it, and it happened in this class period. And I feel violated, because why are you stealing my stuff?
Wait, you sure it happened like this?
100%.
Oh, miss, I thought you was talking about the one that was right there. You see that little one?
No, not the little one. Those my students bought me. I'm talking about this.
But was it right there where you...
It was right here on my desk. Absolutely on my desk.
When you came and asked me, that's the one I was talking about.
No, this right here.
Oh, I ain't
It has to be a girl.
It was a pink one. I know it has to be a girl.
Yeah.
I have an idea. But I'm giving people the opportunity to be honest. Because why would you steal from me? I'm really chill. I don't understand that.
Wait, it costs a lot, right?
I didn't buy it. That's the thing. One of my 3rd grade students bought this for me 6 years ago. So I collected it for this long.
Yeah, 9th grade, right?
Right. Now he's in 9th grade. And they go to this school. And I collected it since then. And I finally pulled it out this year. And I've never had any problem with people stealing from me until this class. So we're going to have to really...